Hi everybody, I'm new in town. Well, everybody calls me Star because I have stars on my face. Hi, everybody calls me Lilac because of the color of my hair. Hello, my name is Skipper. Hi, and I'm Mirabel. Well, it's great to meet all of you. Hi, Mirabel. I heard about Bruno. Uh-oh. Oh, no. We don't talk about Bruno. No, we don't talk about Bruno. No. We don't talk about Bruno. We don't talk about Bruno. All right, let's go. You go first. Thanks, Lilac. Hi everybody, this is what I'm going to open today. It is Barbie Extra with the neon green hair with 15 styling pieces. Tiara, necklace, earrings. Not sure what this is. I like it. And cereal. Two cereals. A bird with glasses. And so let's go ahead and open this up. She is on clearance at Walmart in North Georgia for $12, and she was $25, so I'm pretty excited about this. So let's get started. How do I get this out? Okay, so we have another package. We have a Barbie Extra with neon green ponytail. It's beautiful, very long. And she has a tiara, which I haven't taken off yet. She has earrings, really pretty earrings, a beautiful face, a necklace, a baggy shirt. Her head moves around and turns from side to side, and her arms go in and out. So she's jointed at the elbow, so her arm bends and her wrist turns around. She has 3 bracelets on, but her hands do go in and out, and her knees bend. They're not going to bend good in these pants because they're super tight, but she's wearing see-through purple sneakers, which I haven't cut off yet, but so I'm going to see if her ankles and her knees bend. Her pants Velcro in the back so you can take them off, and so does her shirt. Here's her purple sneakers. They're see-through purple. They're very pretty. They come off and on. And they have grippies on the bottom with a B for Barbie. I'm taking these pants off so that if I can see if her knees are jointed. Her feet are flat, so they're not jointed, and so she can only wear sneakers and stuff. And what's nice about this top, it's a long top, and she could wear it for pajamas. So we're going to take her bracelets off. They come off her arm. One. And that's a pearl one. The first one I took off is pearls. And the second one looks like a silver chain. And the third one is, let's see what this is. It's really pretty and shiny. I'm not sure what it is, but it's definitely a bracelet. And now for her necklace. And here's her necklace. It comes off and on. It's really pretty. And her earrings probably come out, but I don't want to take them out. They're silver and it looks like they have crystals in them. And her tiara comes off, but I'm afraid it'll mess up her hair, so I'm not going to take that off. She came with 3 cereals, and she's going to eat this cereal for breakfast in the morning. She has a cool purse. It says Yum on it, and it's really heavy. I mean, it feels like something's in it, but there's no way to open it, so I don't know about that. I'll put the purse over there. Okay, she came with a little bird that had glasses on, but her bird's sitting on her shoulder. So, there's her bird with the glasses on. It's got a mohawk, and it has these little feet shaped like this, so that I can get it out. I can put it on the cereal box. So let's do that. And there's her purse and the 2 boxes of cereal for in the morning, and her jewelry and 2 pair of necklaces. 2 pair of sunglasses. And here's the purple puff thing that came with her pants, and her purple shoes, and a sticker. I'm probably going to put the sticker on something later. She has really long hair. There's Barbie Extra. And there's a little bird with glasses sitting on her shoulder. Say, good night, everybody. She's going to sleep on the top bunk. In her oversized top. That's my unboxing for today. And I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. She bought a new grill. She's very excited. Barbie, close and go, fully furnished house with a kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, a pool. Okay, I have kid connection, ice cream stand with all kinds of goodies in it. I'm so very excited about this one.